In this video, we're going to go over the Pythagorean Theorem. And we're going to prove why it works in this video. So, just as an introduction, all the Pythagorean Theorem says is that if you give me a right triangle, usually you put that box there, that tells you that that is a 90-degree angle. If I tell you that the side lengths are A, B, and C, where C is the length of the hypotenuse, and that is the side that doesn't touch the right angle. So this is a special side. Two sides are always going to touch that 90-degree angle. One side won't. We call that special side the hypotenuse. All it tells you is there's this really simple equation. It says that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So the point of this video is to show you, why does that work? Why is that equation true? So to show that, we do a nice little trick. We copy this triangle 4 times. Okay? And we're going to put it inside of a box, inside of a square. We're going to copy it 4 times. So I'm going to draw it in blue now. So this is side length C, side length C, side length C, side length C there. Okay, and we're going to call that A and that B. Okay, and we're going to ask the question, what is the area? So just for context here, I'm going to switch back to blue. The blue here, those are the triangles. Imagine that these are 4 triangular blocks, all the same size, side lengths A, B, and C. The question I'm posing to you is, what is the purple area? So this is the blank area inside the box. Well, that's just a rotated square. It's like a diamond, where this is C, 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 and C. That's how we drew it. So what is the area of a square with side lengths C? You can pause the video, take a second to think about that. So that area is just going to be C squared. Okay, so just keep that in the back of your mind. Now, we're going to play a bit. Okay, we're going to take that same box, we're going to copy it. I'm going to copy that same box. Except this time, we're going to stack our triangular blocks in a little bit different way. So now, we are going to stack these blocks like so. Okay, so this is side length B. That's side length A. So we just rotated them. So that's A and that's B. And then there in the center there, that's C. Sorry. It's not a... It'll work out in the end, but my picture's not accurate. So we're going to do that, right? So we're going to draw this inverted guy here. And then we're going to rotate the other one similarly. And I know they're a little bit different sizes here, but they're supposed to be the same size. I just can't draw very well. So this is side length B. So that side length is B. That's A. That's C. And that's A. This side length is A. This side length is B. So here I'm trying to make B look a little bit longer, but here B is supposed to be a little bit longer than A, but I've kind of goofed off the picture. So this bottom left one looks bigger, but they are supposed to be the same size. Oh. So then this side length is B, and this side length is A. Okay, so now remember that our blocks are this blue area. So this has all been colored in. So we're looking for the purple area again. And you can see that we have two squares here. So this is square 1 has a side length B, a side length B. So that means B and B. So that's a square. So the area is B squared. And square 2 is a square A, and A. Just by the way we drew this, it has to be that way. And so the blank area inside the box has to be both of these squares. That's A squared plus B squared. And this time I'm going to put an exclamation point here, because this is the same thing as that. They both tell you what the blank area inside the box is, so they have to be equal to each other. So that tells you that A squared plus B squared is, in fact, C squared. In the next video, I'll show you guys some examples of how to use that. So that's basically why it works. You just play this game with blocks, and if you have blocks at home, you can actually test this and show yourself that it is indeed true, that you can put the blocks in this way.